This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 24th of October. I'm James Spann. It is very warm. It is very dry. We see no major changes through Saturday. A front Sunday might squeeze out a shower somewhere, but I'm afraid it's going to be early November before we see the next meaningful rain event for the state. As we typically do, we'll begin with the upper air look across the country, and most of the waves in the mid-latitude westerlies are bypassing us to the north because of the ridge in place here across the deep south. And it is a sunny, warm day, visible satellite view, hardly a cloud in the sky. Temperatures are in the 80s, mid-80s in many spots. Birmingham, 84, that's within 2 of the record high for this state. 86, the record high today set way back in 1927. Tuscaloosa, 85, Anniston, Gadsden, 82, Huntsville, 82. We've got 87 down to the south for both Mobile and Dothan. Check the watch warning map around the nation. Pretty quiet today. We do have a marginal risk of severe storms later today and tonight from eastern Kansas into parts of southern Iowa. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder along a front from Little Rock up to Cleveland. No severe storms expected. And on day 3, which is Saturday, not a single storm expected across the contiguous United States. We need rain, but prospects of meaningful rain, again, just not that good. This is the rain valid through Thursday morning of next week. And for Alabama, basically nothing. And again, there could be a few very small isolated showers Sunday with the front, but with very limited moisture, just don't expect a lot. Most places will stay dry. Let's take a look at the tropics. This is the big view. And again, things are relatively calm for now. That's the 2-day outlook. This is the 7-day outlook. No tropical storms, no hurricanes expected for the rest of October. However, we do note we're still seeing signs, signals, and global models of a tropical system that might be forming in the southern Caribbean as we get into early November. This is the probabilistic outlook coming off the European ensemble. Now, this is the probability of tropical depression formation. Tropical depression formation, you can see the numbers are fairly high over the southern Caribbean. If it forms, where does it go? Nobody knows that yet. Nobody knows. It's simply something to watch for now. It all depends on the upper air pattern. But let's roll through modeling. Model fans. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And again, the winds aloft are a little stronger. But again, we have another dry day coming up. Lots of sunshine, and like today, highs will likely be in the mid-80s. The NBM showing 86 for Birmingham. That's within 2 of the record. The record high tomorrow is 88, set in that year of 1927. Saturday as the weekend begins, we're still dry. Again, mid-80s, very warm day for college football. Now, Sunday, a surface front will be coming in. And on the front, it is conceivable there might be a few small spotty showers. But again, the chance of any one spot getting a shower is generally, I'd say, 1 in 10, only about 10%. So again, obviously at this point, meaningful rain not expected. The sky partly sunny. The high Sunday around 80. And Monday should be a mostly sunny day. Highs upper 70s and low 80s. Same thing on Tuesday. Same thing on Wednesday. This is a week from today. This is this is the end of next week. This is Friday, the 1st of November. And again, we've got a ridge in place here. We'll be dry through Halloween, the end of the month. And troughing back in the northwestern states. And there's evidence of the tropical system we talked about that's now near the southern coast of Cuba. And a surface front north and west of the state. Just maybe that might bring some rain beyond that. But again, that's kind of iffy. Let's keep going. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, November 3rd. Again, we've still got the ridge in place here, troughing well to the west. And once again, we're rain-free. So really and truly, we just don't see a lot of hope for rain that means anything here for the next 10 days. But let's go out 15 days. This is the European ensemble output, and this is the largest mean value that we've seen in a while. As we get into the early part of November, the mean is now over 1 inch. And that's not big, but hey, you got to start somewhere. And again, some of the members exceed 3 inches. So we're just starting to see signals that rain could return to the Deep South probably sometime after November 3rd. November 3rd through the 10th, somewhere in that time frame. And by the way, if you missed it, this is the new drought monitor that came out this morning. This was released this morning. These products are released once a week, Thursday morning. And you can see that D1 moderate drought expanding across the state. We got a few spots with a D2 severe drought. One that's up in northern Limestone County and one that's around Uniontown, where Marengo, Perry, Dallas, and Wilcox counties come together. But again, that's certainly a sign we need some rain. All right, so that's yesterday's 8 to 14-day guidance. Let's peek in here and see if the new one is in, and it is. And we will drop this in, and you'll watch it change magically there. So this is the new outlook just issued for November 1st through November 7th, the 8 to 14-day guidance. Same story, temperatures a little above average here. So we've got to roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Can. Hey, second day in a row, got some homeschoolers today. Up in Collinsville, these are the students and the parents in association with the Shine Homeschool Academy. Had a big group there today and had a great time talking about the science of weather, how we forecast the weather, thunderstorms, much more. Ooh, yes. Cake makes us so happy. And that cake made us happy, but those kids were great today. Love having the families in the room as well. Talked a lot about ways of staying safe. Tornado season begins in a week. So again, to all of these students and the mamas and the daddies and the brothers and the sisters up in Collinsville that came to see us at the Shine Homeschool Academy, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You guys know you are indeed looking good. Tomorrow, going to be in Blount County, Locust Fork. And by the way, tonight I'll be doing a special fundraiser for the King's Home Auxiliary in northern Shelby County. It's a great ministry. Tomorrow, Locust Fork, home of the Hornets, Blount County. See my friends at Locust Fork Elementary School. Tomorrow evening for Friday Night Rivals, we're going to be in Brent, Bibb County High School. Pleasant Grove at Bibb County. That's the game of the week. I'll be live on ABC 3340 at 4, 5, and 6. Blitz Game Day on our sister station, Channel 68 at 6:30. The game itself is on Channel 68 at 7. And again, no book signing on Saturday. The next one will be on Saturday, November 2nd, and we'll be announcing the location and the time early next week. Thanks a lot for watching. Hey, catch us this evening right across the hall. Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.